naman tayo ng mga match transaction. So, for that one, make sure lang guys na pag nagmamatch kayo ng transactions, check nyo rin yung mga naka-attach na invoices or bills. So, itong mga minamatch natin usually guys, ito yung mga ginawa natin ng bills and invoices. Okay? So, for us to do that guys, punta tayo sa Revolut Savings. Okay, hanap tayo ng pwedeng i-match. Okay, as you can see, si QuickBooks, meron siyang suggestion. Pero I highly suggest na yung sinasuggest ni QuickBooks, ignore muna natin yon. Mas maigi kasing i-check muna natin sa end natin. Okay? So as you can see, meron dito, ABS Marketing. Okay. Ang transaction niya is January 1, 2025. The amount is 2551.47. Okay. As you can see here, meron tayong 2551.47 and then invoice natin January 1, 2025. Check natin yung invoice. Okay, 2551.47. By the way guys, baka malito kayo kasi dun sa previous video na ginawa ko about sa invoices, ang ginawa natin is Amazon. So dito kasi ang ginawa ko is Shopify account management, okay? Then as you can see, ABS LLC and don ABS Marketing. Pero same naman siya na January 1, 2025, then the amount is 2551.47. So, for that one, ang gagawin lang natin guys is ima-match lang natin. Match lang siya guys, hindi siya categorize, hindi siya transfer. So, match natin siya. Okay? So, meron pa ito yung invoices guys. Meron pa dito yung sa bills naman. Okay. As you can see dito, ito, meron kay Amy Richards, January 27, may tatlong match. January 27, $405. So, meron dito $405. So, payment siya for Amy Richards. Kaya lang, ang nandito sa transaction is David Hope. So, for that one, i-match lang natin siya sa January 27, then $454. Ay, sorry, wait lang. $405. Wait nga, tingnan pa natin. Okay. So, meron na dito kasi kay Amy Richards. So, ang gagawin na lang natin dito is yung kay Elena Richards na lang. January 27. Okay? Then, check natin yung bill. Okay, January 27, $405. And Elena Richards. So, match lang natin to guys. Okay? Click lang natin yung match. So, yun lang sa ngayon guys. And yung ibang category dito or yung ibang mamatch, you can do it on your end na. Okay? Thank you!